3.
Welcome, everyone. This is Claudia McGilkey and my partner, Jerry Beasley, and we're with Gulf Coast Luxury Real Estate. We're here at a new construction. It's by DSLD Builders, and it's 2,300 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, open concept floor plan, split floor plan with the primary on one side, the other 3 bedrooms on this side, 13-foot ceilings, and there's a few extras in this model home. So come on into the kitchen. Nice open kitchen, has a huge pantry. This one has Corian countertops and a backsplash, but those are all things that you can add in and detail them to your liking. You have a nice eating area, dining room right here, and then one of my favorite, a big covered porch for outside entertaining. Beautiful yard, nice neighborhood. Now let me go ahead and take you down to the other 3 bedrooms. So on this side, you have a full bath, another linen closet for linens down here. Then there's 3 bedrooms, and every bedroom has a full walk-in closet. And all the shelving is non-wired, is wooden shelving. I love it. So come on over this way and I'll show you the primary. Welcome to the primary ensuite. You have the box ceilings. Crown molding in this home is standard also, which that little added touch just makes it more refined. You have hurricane protection windows, you have hurricane shield, you have a garage door opener, beautiful lighting, another linen closet, full walk-in closet, 4-foot shower, and beautiful tub with the tile backsplash around it. So if you're interested in this home, feel free to call Claudia McGilkey at 850-485-0353 or Jerry Beasley
At 850-468-2544.
And if you come out here to see one of these agents out here, let them know that Claudia said she's going to go ahead, Claudia and Jerry are actually going to go ahead and get you a full home security system on us in this house. What a deal.
That is a deal. Can we see the garage?
Absolutely. Come on. Every man wants to see the garage. There you go. Large, oversized garage. Now, the nice thing about this builder is that he finishes the garages and he puts down the baseboards and everything else. Most of the other ones are not finished, and you'll see them in our videos. Mudroom. Laundry room. Storage closet for your washing machine, vacuum cleaners, and an awesome extra storage pantry for appliances or Christmas items or whatever you need. Thank you again for letting us show you this beautiful home.
Claudia, one more time. What about the security system? How do they get one?
You have to go ahead and tell them that Jerry Beasley or Claudia McGilkey said that I can have a security system on them that we're going to pay for. The builder will not include anything. But that's on top of other incentives that we can go ahead and get you. Just give us a call.
Thanks, Claudia. Thanks for showing us this beautiful DSLD home.
You bet.